How to delete all voicemails on Android phone. First thing you have to do is open up your phone's dialer, and then from here at the top right you'll find the three lines. Just tap on it, then simply head over to your settings menu. And once you get to your settings, all you have to do is simply head over to voicemail and see if you have any incoming voicemail or voicemail that has been stored in your uh, recorder. So once you've done that, in order to clear it, just long press on your phone app and then click on the eye icon and you will get to your app info. Now all you need to do is head over to storage and tap on it, then tap on clear cache, and after this you're going to have to clear data because voicemail will be stored here, and after clearing the data your voicemail will be deleted. It's also a good idea to force stop this app, which will restrict all of the incoming voicemails or any background activities. And that's how you clear out all of your voicemails on your Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.